Good morning, everybody. We got Taco Tuesday going on today. I am right here, roulette wheel. We're good to go, man. John J. Alvarez first in the chat today. What's going on, John J? Nick F. Good morning, man. Pugnacious John J. We got Paul, Pugnacious Paul, Mark Paul, John J, Moji, Keith Kemp, Moto Lifer, Kathy, Moto Lifer. We've got Joseph, man. What's going on, Joseph? Ever Flores, Shredda, Roulette Wheel, and Pika Power. What's going on? Let's go over and see what the market has in store. Fix all these graphs. We got AMC in the top left, up 3.75% today. Not down, it is up. Shiba Inu coin up slightly at 25.33. We've got GameStop up 3.5%, almost identical to AMC today, sitting at 146.38. And we've got Farmy down here in the bottom left, up 1.43%, sitting at 12.76 right now. The Nasdaq soaring, flying. Nasdaq is looking very good today after yesterday's brutal beatdown. The Nasdaq is absolutely soaring today. Look at this. Look at this graph. You can't even get all this in one chart here. You got to scroll. Nasdaq soaring 2% higher. The daily looks very good right here. We could have met the bottom, ladies and gentlemen. I am absolutely hoping with all that I am. Anybody seen Tick Tick Boom? Let's see. I'm hoping beyond hope that this one sticks to the wall. The Nasdaq looking very good. Let's just put it that way. Looking very good there. We've got Prague still in the red. Prague is sitting at 98.84 cents right now. Crypto looking good, pretty green. Sundial 2% higher with a nice green candle right there, sitting at 54.64. Mullen Auto still taking a hit, pretty hard hit today, down 4.5%, $1.75. CEI giving back a lot of yesterday's gains, down 10% today. SPY up 1.40%, 444 and 12 cents. BBIG up 3.5%, $2.60. And Highcroft Mining actually bouncing back into the green. Highcroft is sitting at $1.84 right now, so very interesting activity. I like the fact that we are green, guys. I got his buzz on. Shredda! I got the buzz on Saturday, man. How's the snow, Clip? We got the snow up here in Canada, too, yesterday. Oh, man, meta. Nothing's sticking, okay? I did see a lot of snowflakes out there falling down. I don't think any's currently coming down right now. But, yeah, nothing's sticking. That's going to be good. And then, dude, this weekend's supposed to get close to 80 or almost 80. Roulette Wheel, thank you very much for the super chat. Roulette says, multi-home building is up and is causing the stock market to be up as well. Gotcha. Roulette Wheel. So, what, new home building is looking good, and therefore the stock market is looking good? Hey, man, I'll take anything I can get. I will take any reason for the market to go up and watch it roll up, and I'll be happy with it. I'll accept it, man. Even if people are like, oh, you know what, inflation could get scary. Inflation could get scary. Well, let's buy stocks. Dude, I'll even accept that, man. I'll take any excuse whatsoever that you guys want to throw at me these days and watch them. As long as it results in some green candles, I am going to be okay with it. What do you think about Strange Inu token? Jam's channel. I know nothing about Strange Inu token, man. Sorry about that. First, Clarinho, Brosinho, Samanino. How are you, Inyo? Hey, you want to come accept delivery on that vanity for me? Nick F, man. I do not feel like being awake that late at night. Otherwise, yeah, dude. Yeah. Dude, I get an idea. They could deliver it here. I'll accept it, and then you can come pick it up afterwards. That sounds good to me. PWL, I'm great. I've been busy lately. How are you? Pika's always busy. Pika's out there making moves, man. Pika's making moves. Speaking of making moves, ATER, what is it doing today? ATER is down slightly right now. Dude, I was looking at it earlier. It was above $7 per share. Sitting at $6.42 right now. It was at $7.26. We know that we've got Frodo and JB, both in ATER. I do not know, however, if anybody else is in ATER. I do not own any, but my boys have been taking advantage of it for, well, I know Frodo's been in since back here. I believe JB got in somewhere on one of these candles, but man, the gains have been massive, going from $2 per share to $7 per share over the last month. So if anybody is an ATER, congratulations, you're making some sick money on that one. Coming back over here, doesn't sound like something I'm interested in. Nick F. Oh man, I wish it was something you were interested in, man, because if it was, you know what I'd say? Let's get started. Peak of power. Boom, Nick. Yes, meowdy, folks. What's going on, Happy Caddy? Hey, King Moji. Whoop, whoop. What's going on? We are all busy. I woke up and Claybro live stream was already over. Roulette wheel. It is never over, man. Never over. It only just begun. Pringleton's in an Pringleton's in ATER too. Very nice. I did not know that Pringleton was in ATER. Where's Pringleton been? I swear I haven't seen Pringleton in a couple days. Listen to that. I definitely need some more water. This is not looking good. Prog that's past tense. No, Prog's not dead. Prog is just sleeping. Prog is just sleeping. That's all it's doing right there. Prog is sleeping right now. 98.89. It's just sleeping. We'll keep it at that. What's the volume like? Dude, it's still got decent volume. Falling volume, yes, but still decent volume. 5 million shares being traded a day. That's not terrible. We need, what do we need? We need 500 million shares being traded like we had back here when on these days it ran up to $6. You got 100 million shares, 300 million shares, 200 million shares coming in. That's the kind of volume you need right there. It has been very, very slow since then. It's happening out at 95.09. Prog did hit that bottom there. That was kind of sad to see. Let's see. Clint, you in Tesla earnings is tomorrow. So Meta, I do not own any Tesla. Nope. Fully invested all my capital in Shiba Inu. Ryan, I hope it absolutely rips, man. And you hit an all-time high and you're able to at least triple or quadruple your money there, man. That would be sick. Pringleton's doing okay, just upset because of the market corruption. Yeah, Mr. Simon, I'm telling you. I know a lot of people are really taking it hard. In myself included, man, watching the red day after red day after red day after red day, it does get very, very hard. And that's why I really don't have a problem reminding myself out loud that over the long term, it's going to be good. We're just going through a stupid bear market right now. Everything has been coming down for the last 6+ months. And it's going to be fine. We will reach a bottom, and we will turn. Crypto Rocketeer! Boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. Good morning, bros and sisters. Dwight, man, what's going on? Dwight, how's your morning? Dwight, how's your morning going, man? We all want to know how Dwight's morning. Dwight says good morning to the brothers and sisters. You guys better be saying good morning to Dwight. Dwight, how is your morning? Hopefully it's going excellent, man. Thought I heard something, but no. I think it might be my neighbor rolling the trash can. I think that might be what it is. I was like, what is that sound? Might be the neighbor rolling the trash can. I'm not sure. These red days have been really rough. It's been hard to stay positive. Pika, facts on that, Pika. But there's a certain ability that you need to have to persevere and push through the red days, regardless of how tough they are. You have to overcome it. Dwight's morning's going great, guys. Perfect, Dwight. I love the fact that you're having a great morning. And all one of me asked how your morning was going. I like it. Dang, look at Crypto Rocketeer's pic. Crypto Rocketeer, look at that picture, man. Look at that picture. Good afternoon, Clay, Dwight, and everyone else in here. Crypto Rocketeer, good afternoon to you as well. Hopefully you're having a great day. And Dwight, man, thank you very much. And Roulette Wheel, thank you as well. Appreciate both those super chats, guys. You guys are awesome. You know what I think is awesome too? The fact that we are green. The overall market is green today. We are finally getting a day of relief. That is good. I don't want to jinx it. And it seems like I log online. Yep, I log online, and then what do you know? Look at this. I log online, and we're stringing together reds. We're stringing together reds. We're stringing together reds. We're stringing together reds. Very interesting that they timed that perfectly from when I got online. Stringing together nothing but reds since I've been online now, and I am not liking that type of activity. So stop stringing together the reds. Guys, keep buying. It's okay. Outdoor Smile. I swear you were already a green name, but thank you for having that green name, Outdoor Smile. I don't know why that just showed up now, but appreciate that. Everybody welcome Outdoor Smile to the chat, grabbing that green name and being a bro. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much. Billion in a bag, my boys are back. I knew they'd be back today. I knew the Billion in a Bag boys would be back today. What's going on? Billion in a boy bag. I don't know about billion in a boy bag. Billion in a bag boy. Piga Mama will get you through. Yes, she will. Danelle definitely will. Welcome, Outdoor Smile. Hey, happy to be part of the Bro family for this long. Keith is a member for 5 months. I love it, Keith. Thank you for having that green name. Dude, we are glad to have you as part of the Bro family for 5 strong months, man. I'm loving it. When does a joke become a dad joke? When it becomes a parent. That was pretty good, John. That was pretty good, not gonna lie, I liked it. Welcome back, Outdoor Smile. You've returned. Yes, Outdoor Smile is back. Got that green name, I love it. Smile, woohoo, you the man. Smile is the man. Congrats, Outdoor Smile. Definitely thought you were already a bro. Well, he was a bro because he's straight purple now, so I don't know when it would have renewed or what the deal is with that, but yes, still the bro. Good news for real estate holders. Another 20 to 30% gain for homeowners coming again in 2022. Well, that is good news. That is very good news. When's the market crash gonna come? When's the housing market gonna crash? Dude, it's almost inevitable. It's gotta come at some point, especially with interest rates rising so much. It's got to. Let's go Polygon. Polygon. We haven't heard Polygon in quite a time here. Outdoor Smile. Thank you for the 5-month member chat. Appreciate that. And Polygon. Very interesting. Matic. What has that been doing lately? I have not seen that. Let's see. What has Matic been doing here? Good old Polygon on the daily chart, bouncing off some levels of support here. So, very nice. Guys, this is a very, very strong level of support. If you guys have not been watching Polygon here, boom. This $1.33, $1.30 has been very, very strong support. Boom, 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 boom. Cannot break it. However, if it does break it, $1.25, you got a little support in there. Then the next major line being right here at $1. So very interesting activity on Polygon, but it is bouncing off a very strong level of support. If you guys have been watching that, trying to get in there, AMC bouncing off $18 a share and got some green candles coming in on the graph right now. Yay, Pringleton's back too. We got the boys are back in town, man. Zombie Inu. Let's look at Zombie Inu for a second because I have not looked at Zombie Inu. I just want to know the let's see the market cap on Zombie Inu here. See what we get going. And I don't think that, I honestly don't think that Chrome is hooked back up. So we'll hook that up here in a little while. But Zombie Inu has a ton of zeros. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros on Zombie Inu. Just a tiny little $16 million market cap. All right, not too bad. Very, very small market cap there on Zombie Inu. Let's see, all-time graph. It is sitting at some near-term lows here. So down here with 7 zeros and a 2, it is near all-time lows. It could get cut in half or really get cut in a quarter again before it hits the all-time low. So I don't know, man. It's definitely low. Will it bounce back? Interesting idea there, because it really rallied when Shiba Inu coin was rallying back at the end of 2021. Did very well and would 10x from the current prices. So a 10x gain would be incredible. However, I don't know if you're going to get it because I don't know how many people are actually interested in Zombie Inu. 15,000 holders. Man, if people jump on Zombie Inu, then yeah, it's got a lot of room to grow. With only 15,000 holders, I would say so. You got some major whales in there. You get some big whales, but nothing to be terribly concerned about. A couple dudes own like $100,000 worth. That's about it. Nothing insane on Zombie Inu. Let's go out to the website real quick. Oh, I have been on this website before. What do they got? They're going to try and do some game or something? I don't know what Zombie Inu's, what they're going to do. CD Wit might be able to help us there. But we are back, guys. Real estate not going to crash because in order to get home loans, applicants need to pass a rigorous credit application, including a large down payment. Yeah, but the price of homes could crash because a lot of people are going to be priced out of the current prices because of the increase in interest rates. A lot of people don't really try to stay in that price range. They necessarily look at the monthly payment that they can afford, right? And if they can afford a $3,000 a month mortgage, and right now I don't know what that gets them. What does that get you? Right, like a $300,000 house or something. $400,000 house maybe, and then in like a year or two, $3,000 a month might get you what, $150,000 house. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see what does happen with prices there as interest rates spiral out of control, in my opinion. I think, too, we might see 10% mortgages. That would be nuts. Heck yeah, Pringleton. Pringleton say something. Breaking news. Elon just informed me he's trading all his Dogecoin for Shiba. AJ, that would be amazing. I do not know if that's the case. Outdoor Smile. I have not seen this in forever. Outdoor Smile. Thank you. You guys better do this with me. Don't make me do this alone. I haven't done this in so long. LPDPD, 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 Pete, LPDPD, Pete, LPDPD, 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 Pete, LPDPD, Pete, LPDPD, 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 Pete. LPDPD, Pete. Last time, guys, better do it. LPDPD, 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 Pete. LPDPD, Pete. Thank you guys very much. Outdoor Smile. Absolutely appreciate that. You guys better have done that PDP with me. Did anybody actually do the PDP with me? I need to know right now that I was not dancing alone. Thank you, Outdoor Smile. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker. It's by far one of my favorites. Roulette Wheel. Thank you for the super chat. He says, when people aren't buying, people will have to rent. That is the reason multifamily home building is going high. Roulette Wheel. That's actually a pretty good observation there. And I would agree with that. Yes. The fact that people are going to be priced out of homes will cause more people to rent. Therefore, multifamily home building is going higher. And hopefully, I mean, that's what you're saying is causing the market to rise as well today. But that does make a lot of sense. That does make a lot of sense. That if a lot of people are priced out of owning homes, they'll be forced to rent homes. And then clearly, multifamily buildings or apartments are going to increase. One more time, peak of power. We would love a PDP one more time. Only so long. I probably plenty don't even know what the PDP is. Pringleton, they better know what the PDP is, man. They better know what. Does anybody in here not know what the PDP is? I actually did it. My cats think I'm crazy. Yes, Danelle did it. Did anybody else do the PDP with me and Danelle? Or was it just me and Danelle? Yes, I did the PDP too. Peak of power doing the PDP. Perfect, guys. Kind of funny, but I bought Shiba 0.00026, but also owned Shiba 0.0005, 0.00625. Have you done the same? No, I didn't get it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I did not get Shiba with 6 zeros, man. I did not get Shiba with 6 zeros. I am green on Shiba, though, right now. My average is either, I think it's 23 or 24. It's somewhere in that range. So I am green on Shiba Inu coin right now, but I did not get it at 6 zeros and a 26. LPDPD. Simon knows what it is, man. LPDPD. 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 Pete. LPDPD. Simon did the entire song there. I like it. I bought 2 houses last year and was frustrated that I couldn't find multifamily homes. Ryan, 2 houses is better than no houses, man. I don't know. There's a lot to multifamily homes. If you guys are looking at buying twinplexes or apartment buildings and things like that, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So don't think that it's just all passive income. I do like that super chat. Dwight likes that super chat. Nice, man. Nice. Dwight likes the PDP just like everybody else likes the PDP. Question is, though, did Dwight do the PDP with us? I think he did. He might not admit it, but I think he did. English Toad, member for 2 months, man. Thank you for the member chat. He says, Delilah Miles Tyson, Hazel Miles, Thea, Loki Phoebe. What are we naming here? What are we naming here? Delilah Miles Tyson, Hazel Miles, Thea, Loki Phoebe. Whatever that means. English Toad, thank you very much for the member chat. Where's Kyle Volt Guy? I'm having migration issues. I don't know where Kyle is. I haven't seen Kyle in a couple days either, man. Dab time for Peak of Power. Let's get it. Boom, baby. Congrats, Toad. Heck yeah. Nice. Alice. What did Alice say? Not even know. Oh, me too, Pika. Me too. Pancake swap. Pika swap. What did Alice say? Did you see Chad's chat? Did you see Chad's chat on Vitalik and Elon? Yes. Gizla, are you talking about that article by Watcher Guru? If that's what you're talking about, yes, I did see that. What do you think about that, man? I think that's... I don't think that Elon and Vitalik are the guys that did Shiba Inu coin, but that's just me. That's just me. It's an absolute possibility, but I'm going to say no on it. Clipper, I'm loving all the green names today. The entire chat is green today, except for John J. Alvarez, man. What's going on, John J? And Roulette Wheel, not green. Come on, all the green names. We got green and blue all over in here. Smash the like button. Listen to Roulette Wheel and smash the like button. Guys, we got 61 of you in here, so you better do some work today. We got 19 likes and 61 viewers. Please don't make me cry. Click that like button. King Toad, congrats on 2 months. Yes, listen to Danelle and say congrats to King Toad on 2 English Toad. He was King Toad for a while, but he's back to English Toad. Roulette Wheel, grab a green name, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Hello, King Danelle. Bro, I'm tempted to sell everything because I think a crash is coming, and then come back in with better positions. AR. There's nothing wrong with that, man. There's nothing wrong with that. Just because I may not be convinced that a crash is imminent or, we're going to see some huge downside, doesn't mean that you can't see it, right? But if you're convinced that the market's going to crash, crypto's going to crash, a single coin is going to crash or a single stock is going to crash, there's nothing to say that you have to hold it. So if you do believe that you're going to be able to get in at a better position, whether that's next week, next month, or 6 months from now, that's definitely an opportunity to protect the profits you have right now or to cut your losses short and see what happens in the future. It's legit. If you think it's going to crash, why would you want to hold it during a whole crash? If you cry, I'll hit like. Oh, Pringleton, please hit the like button, man. I'm crying right now. Please hit the like button. Do it. Just pop her again. Moji, what's going on? It's okay. You could be a king one day and not the next. You can be a king. Has anybody ever been double kinged? I've never been double kinged. Perks page needs updated to 2022. Best year ever. Yes, it does. I'm sure all of the pages need updated to say 2022 instead of 2021. Deal is a deal. Pringleton, I'm glad you clicked the like button because I was crying then, man. Roulette Wheel, I am colorblind, so it looks the same, red or green. Well, your name is not red, Roulette Wheel. It would be gray right now. So it shouldn't look the same. Or are you talking about all of these lines right here on the chart? Dude, that would be very confusing. I would imagine you could see the difference between red and green on the chart, though. No? You literally can't. Like, if it's trading sideways, you really don't know. Do you know the difference? You got to know the difference, man. You got to know the difference. You got to be able to see the difference in those. That red and green there is too contrasted to not be able to tell the difference. I'd say it would be impossible not to know. Who here has a crush on Pika? Vengeance! Only you, man. Only you. It's been a few double kings. Devil's Advocate has 3 crowns. What? 3 crowns? I only have 1. Christmas will be very bland for Color My Blind Mel. Yes, Christmas would be very bland for colorblind people, especially if they're green-red colorblind. That would be very hard to manage all of the green and red around Christmas time. Pika says, Vengeance, I do. Pika's got a crush on Pika. The color of the names look the same on my phone. Yeah, you're probably on an iPhone, or you're probably on an Android, man. They are all the same on an Android, but Pika and the green names have those little icons next to them. So that would be the difference on an Android phone. For me, shows up green, and then everybody using iPhone, the green names show up green. Like if they've got an icon next to it, shows up green. Facts on that. Yes, Pika Power. Facts on that. What'd she say? Pats on back. Something. I like it though. We got quadruple crown to Danelle there. English Toad. Very nice. Guys, a little recap. We got AMC staying above $18 per share. It is really testing this area right in here. Hopefully it does break through, but it's had a very, very nice morning so far. Basically going nothing but higher all morning long. And then around 10:45 or so, started to level off a little bit. And retesting this level of resistance right in here in the 1820 to 1830 area. Shiba Inu coin very, very sideways over the last hour or so. Slightly lower than the 2560. It's sitting at 2537 right now. GameStop sitting at $147.06, up 4% on the day. Not bad at all there. We've got Farmy sitting at $12.74 right now, up 1.27% on the day. The NASDAQ trading sideways since we got online. It has really been doing nothing but printing red lines since we went live, but it is sitting at $1.84, 1.84% higher. That is an excellent gain for any index. Prague sitting sideways at 98.5 cents. We've got Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the green today. Sundial is at 1.80% higher, 54.54 over there, really trading sideways over the last couple of hours. Mullen Auto down 5.5% to $1.73.5. CEI down 7.6% right now at 97 cents. SPY is sitting up 1.30%, BBIG up 2.80%, and Highcroft Mining is down 3%. Was in the green, gave back some of its gains there. It's sitting at $1.76, down 3.08%, or 2.75. I spoke too soon. 2.20%. Oh man, Highcroft is bouncing back. We like gains, don't we? Really, I mean, it is having a nice green line here. $1.78 now, only down 1.92% after just being down 3%. So not bad at all. Not bad at all for Highcroft Mining. Please bounce back into the green. We would love to see that. Dang, Clay has an iPhone now. No more. No. No iPhone over here. Nope, not going iPhone. Samsung for sure, but the Samsung is no longer wet. The Samsung dried itself out. So, nope, no iPhone. But Streamlabs on the desktop here does show it up as green. Peak is my girl. And Danelle's as well. What do you think of Crow Coin? Do you personally own any at the moment? So, yes, I do own Crow. I don't own a ton of Crow. Not like I got thousands and thousands of dollars of Crow or anything. I don't own a ton of Crow, but I do like the exchange coins, okay? Crow, Binance, even Gemini being a stable coin out there paying 8% interest and being stuck at $1. I like the exchange coins because I believe as the exchanges grow, and I would expect them to grow because crypto is still a very small part of the investing world. And I believe as more people use it, they're going to be using these centralized exchanges. And as more people use the centralized exchanges, we should see growth in the centralized exchange coin. So yes, I do own Crow. And, I would expect it to grow as the exchanges grow. Moto Lifer says, vengeance. Me, man. Me. Pick me for the Pika. Pick me, but shh. Don't tell her. Don't tell. Moto Lifer, I won't tell anybody. Okay, with the GME dividend stock split, I've assumed there are naked shorts. Is there any way they can hide them after that happens? Especially if there's an NFT, I assume not, as they can't print those. So let's see, man. Let's see. The NFT has always been a little confusing to me as to how they would do that in a split. This is a good question, though. That part's always been a little confusing. We can talk about that a little bit here. But as far as like a stock dividend goes or an extra share goes, it would be... Yes, let's put it this way. So if there are naked shorts that nobody knows about, it would be more difficult to go out there and give a person a share, right? Especially if there are more naked shares outstanding than there are shares outstanding. It's going to be nearly impossible to get people all of those shares, right? And I think you guys understand that. Like, we would already assume that it's impossible to make up shares that don't exist in the first place without being marked as FTDs and all of that. But if there are accounts that don't have a share dividend in their portfolio, it's pretty obvious that they were a naked share at that time and nobody delivered that to them. But, that doesn't mean that you can't go buy it or borrow it off of somebody and give it to them. Right? So if I naked shorted GameStop and you owned it, once that dividend happens, I can go out and buy a share of GameStop and deliver that to you. I can put that dividend in your portfolio there. I technically owe it to you, so I have to do that. But it will get a little confusing if it's over the amount of shares outstanding. So it's not going to be impossible to find those shares. If I was naked short and it was just a cash dividend, I would owe you the cash in your portfolio. If it's the share dividend, I can find that share. Now, when it comes to an NFT dividend, I still don't, unless all of the brokers out there integrate NFTs into their platforms and allow you to hold NFTs in their platforms, I don't necessarily see how an NFT dividend is going to be claimed by everybody. You can't assume that, like if my grandpa owned GameStop, you can't assume that he's going to have any idea how to go create a crypto wallet and claim an NFT to show that, you know, he owns GameStop or anything like that. So I do think that it'll be very, very difficult to integrate NFT dividends into the mix here. But share dividends, it's not impossible for me to go buy that share somewhere else and deliver it to you. Ragus says, Clay, what's the difference between coin and token? Is Shiba Inu a coin or token at this point? So Ragus, it is a token. A token is basically something that is built on another platform. So Shiba Inu coin uses Ethereum's blockchain as its own. So therefore, it is a token. It's an ERC20 token. A coin is basically its own blockchain. So Bitcoin's a coin, Ethereum's a coin, Zcash is a coin. Basically, all of those original coins are coins. Oh yeah, finally watched the Batman. How naked, very naked, John J. Very naked. Makes perfect sense. We continue to add my crow, my wallet, roulette wheel. Very nice, man. Oh yeah, finally watched the Batman. Have to say, Robert Pattinson Batman makes it to top spot. Oh my gosh, Bale is still the best Bruce Wayne. Interesting, man. Dang, Chris must have really been impressed by the Batman there. Moji, yes, but a crown with a wrench is the absolute best. Yes, it would be. Yes, it would be. Moonlifer walked right into that trap and said, shoot me. No, he did not. It wasn't a trap. Vengeance, you were just asking for the honest truth there. Naked shorts shouldn't be permitted. Yeah, naked shorts shouldn't. They're not permitted, technically. Well, I can't say this. With the current setup of immediately owning it in your portfolio, it's a little tougher, okay? So let's go down that scenario to say that naked shorts shouldn't technically exist, because anytime you buy a stock, it's probably 90% naked until it settles. Until that settlement period of 2 days comes along, I would almost guarantee it's naked until those 2 days are up. Would you guys, you guys are probably going to say yes, right? Because you hate naked shorts. But would you be willing to buy a stock and you don't experience any of the gains in that stock for 2 days? Or any of the losses? You have to buy it now, and it's not delivered to you until 2 days from now. That's really the only alternative to stopping naked shorts and stopping naked shares, because it would guarantee a deliverance before it hits your portfolio. If it never hits your portfolio, you're going to have to try again, and then you might not get it for another 2 days. So think about that. Would you rather have it show up in your portfolio once it's settled, or do you want it in your portfolio the moment you buy it? That's not a rhetorical question. I do want an answer to that. I would rather have it in my portfolio the moment I buy it, instead of saying, okay, yes, I want to buy AMC stock today, and I put an order in at $18 a share, and then 2 days from now it's trading at $34 a share, and I get filled at $34 a share, and all of a sudden I get filled that morning that's at $34, and it starts spiking back down. So what are your guys' thoughts on that? I don't want that to be a rhetorical question. I actually want you guys to answer that. Well, fat chance I'm getting a wrench anytime soon. I knew I should have been a plumber. Moji, man. Moji. Well, man, maybe. Dude, Moji, you're in here all the time. If you show up and there's like no blue names in here and we need some wrenches, yeah, dude, you could be gunning for one. I wouldn't be afraid to think that you could get one. Vengeance, like nick a guy crossing a paintball field. That would be there. That would be bad. Chris behind Adam West, of course. Yo, Frank, listening now. Been stupid busy at work. Oh man, Frank's busy. Nobody likes it when Frank's busy. Come on. What up, Paul? Good morning. Christian Bale is the best Batman. He revived a dying superhero character from the abyss. I stand by my statement. Paul, thank you for being the only person who answered that question. I feel like I asked that 15 minutes ago and nobody answered except for you. Now. I would rather have it now too, Paul. I would rather have it now. In these times of instant transfers, we shouldn't be waiting 2 days, but then some bank transfers take ages too. Yeah, I mean, I do agree, but if it's got that 2-day settlement period, unless you can do away with that 2-day settlement period, making sure that it shows up in your account, you're going to have some sort of a validation window. Even if it's 24 hours, right? You're going to have some sort of a validation window. Don't be messing with my emotions, Vengeance. Don't do it. I'd want my shares immediately. Me too, Danelle. Me too. Shiba Inu, folks, holding from Holland. Amber. I'm holding it from Ohio, actually. So I'm glad that you're in here, holding all the way from Holland. My plug power is up today. Oh, yeah, plug was up pretty nice today. And get some great news today. The CEO will be on CNBC today at 3 p.m. Brian, hopefully he does not tank the stock like a lot of CEOs going on public television. What's the guy's name? Jerome Powell going on TV and doing press conferences. Sometimes it's bad. Will Pika date Moto or Vengeance in the Shibaverse? Only one way to find out, Outdoor Smile. Stick around on the next episode of Pokemon. I was going to say Dragon Ball Z, but no, Pokemon. Mochi, you gotta be here every day, pick on a few people in need of some good buying, and you too can join the blue. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha. Yes, that is all you gotta do there, Vengeance. That's all. Mochi, he's keeping you coming back tomorrow. Yeah, it's always tomorrow, man. It's always tomorrow. It's always tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. It's always tomorrow. You guys get the drill by now. Good morning. Good morning, Amber. Glad to have you in here. Yep, I'd want rid of that 2-day settlement. Sure, Gary Gensler wanted it within 24 hours, but unfortunately, the SEC have their own settlement period of 15 months to do anything. Yes, dude. The government does not work very fast on anything. I don't know why. I would be very frustrated if I worked for them, knowing that nothing ever got done. So I do agree with you on that one there, Pringleton. But I do think if there is some sort of a settlement period, I would still rather have that stock in my portfolio now. Because I believe, guys, I believe that if a stock does not show up, I believe it does get hit with an FTD. I would find it very, very hard to believe that, transactions are taking place without getting marked by FTDs. I would find that so hard to believe. And I know that is the general consensus in meme stock land right now, where investors and people on social media and YouTubers or whatever, they think that these shares are just being made up and not marked by any FTDs or anything at all. And I don't believe that part. So that would be why I would still be okay with immediately showing up in my portfolio and then running the risk of getting hit with an FTD and just getting it delivered at some other time. Do not trust it. They are trying to get 12 words. Lewis, trying to get 12 words? I don't even know what that means, man. Bro, Kishu will explode. Kishu Inu? Mr. H, will it? Let's see. I have to start buying, so I need to sell all of these worthless NFTs I have. Somebody buy Motolifers, not Moji. Somebody buy Motolifers NFTs, please. We've got Kishu Inu. Kishu Inu going to explode. Kishu Inu. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't seem to be testing a level of resistance or anything right now. But I mean, if it does go higher, you're setting yourself up for at least some 10x gains if it just reaches the all-time highs that it had before. So yeah, you can see some serious gains there. if it does decide to go back up. But $142 million market cap, still a very big coin, meme coin, I would assume. Going on to their website, it's a little meme, big dream. Yes, definitely a meme coin. Very cool, man. Kishu Inu, sorry, I don't have Chrome. I gotta hook Chrome back up to the. Let's see if I can hook Chrome back up. Okay, now we got it up. But yeah, man, Kishu Inu is really trending lower. I mean, it had a nice spike, really had a nice spike in May when Shiba Inu coin was running in May. And then when Shiba Inu coin was running in October back here, Kishu Inu also ran. But like Shiba, it's been falling off ever since. So gonna have to see how that plays out, man. I really think we need a shift in market focus to risky assets once more before you can see another spike up in really anything, Kishu included. 12 words equals his bass phrase. JJ Shibburn, gotcha. Man, what would I don't even know. I can't even think of one of my passphrase words right now. Smile, Gold Digger, the song. Talking to Outdoor Smile. I thought he was like telling me to smile, thinking about Gold Digger. NFT, not stinking tradable. There is a liquidity issue with NFTs. I do agree with that. Vengeance, 100%. And I think that's why people were so welcoming to ApeCoin, is because they were airdropped this coin, $200,000 worth of it. They were airdropped and immediately had liquidity. So ApeCoin did solve a very big problem with their NFT. Get jiggy with it and hit that like button. Listen to JJ Shibburn, please. Click that like button. What do we got here? How many likes we sitting on? 43 likes. Hey, you guys are going to make me cry for sure. 43 likes, 81 people in here. Don't be afraid to click that like button. Watch out, XRP people. Amber, you like Ripple, huh? You like Ripple? And Joey Gumball, just about 1,000 shares. Just bought 1,000 shares of AMC. Let's go. Jared, anytime anybody buys AMC, I love it. Clay, do you think people just buy Shiba to spend it? And does that increase the demand to keep buying more? So, yes, Danelle, I don't think at this point in time anybody is just buying Shiba Inu coin to spend it. Especially with being able to spend it at places like AMC and, through Newegg and BitPay and things like that. I don't think anybody's specifically buying it to spend it. If there was a discount involved with spending Shiba Inu coin, then yes, I do think they would specifically buy it to spend it. But I don't think that's what they're doing. Now, it's a different story when you're forced to use Shiba Inu coin. So if you are going to be renaming your land in the Shiba Inu coin metaverse, you can't do that in US dollars. You can't do that in Ethereum. You can't do that in Bone. You can't do that in Leash. You have to spend Shiba Inu coin. So at that point, I do think it's a definite possibility to see people specifically buying Shiba Inu coin to spend it. And when they do that, those coins are burnt, and it's going to create more demand, absolutely, like you're saying. But it has to be something that is required to be bought in Shiba. If I can spend my dollar, I'm not going to buy Shiba to spend a Shiba as opposed to a dollar. I'm just going to spend my dollar. And I think a lot of people would have the same mentality. Momo Life, hey, hello Clay. Do you have any info on developers of Shib burning anytime soon? So Momo Life, I don't have any info on developers burning anything the developers own. I wouldn't be surprised if the developers barely own any Shiba Inu coin. I would imagine they own a ton more of the ecosystem tokens than they do Shiba Inu coin. Want to know why we are going up today? Okay, fine. I'll tell you two reasons. Number one, MACD crossed over on the 4-hour monthly and your Q. It's mainly the your Q part. Now that being said, I love you, bro. Eric, man, love you too. I'm glad you're in here, and I like it. The second reason's the best reason. Forget about the MACD crossing. We're going up. We're going up because people are buying it because I'm there. Hey, Eric, thank you for the reasoning. I like it, man. Let's just say I like it. When Shiba drops to 0, I will start spending on purchases. Roulette wheel. You know, the good thing about spending on purchases, I don't know if there's any CPAs in here, but if you're spending it on purchases, I don't think anybody's going to hit you with a 1099 on what you bought with your Shiba Inu coin, just to let you know. So I don't think anybody, if you're sitting on, you know, a couple $100,000 in gains on Shiba Inu coin and you want to go start spending some money, I don't know if anybody's going to be sending you a nice 1099 or anything of the sort for gains in Shiba Inu coin there, as long as you spend your Shiba Inu coin. I love your live stream, bro. Devron, thank you for being in here. Love the fact that you're in here. Question, how much do you have of Shiba coins? Answer, my average is around 23 or 2,400 points per coin. I don't necessarily really ever talk about the exact quantity I have. You know, I want everybody to feel welcome and comfortable in here, whether they own much more than me or whether they own less than me. I think I want everybody to be happy knowing that what they have is right for them. Franklin created money as a common form of currency. Will the government come out with some crypto that is universal because so many different people don't take certain cryptos? Chris, maybe. You know, the government does want to come out with some central bank dollar, right? Which is what they're kicking around. It could be some form of a digital dollar. But as far as like creating a universal currency, I hope we're not there yet, man. I hope we're not there, or we've got one world currency, because that's some end of time stuff right there. It is a definite possibility, right, to get some sort of a universal crypto. It is universally accepted across the globe. But I don't know if we're there yet. Devron, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the super chat. Devron, man, thank you very much for the super chat. One more time. It's not coffee, it's water. But thank you very much for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. And I hope you're having a good morning, dude. Ragas, India, cashed out Shiba and sent the money they couldn't use for charity back to VBA, the Ethereum founder. Subscribed and thank you for your great effort. Momo Life, man. Thank you. Momo Life is happy. Momo Life is happy. Clay Bro is happy. Momo Life, glad to have you in here. And I'm glad you're having a good day, man. We've got Farmy going back down at 12.69 right now, posting some red candles. Shiba Inu coin, top right, sitting at 25.26, posting some purple candles. We've got AMC sitting at 18.11 right now, throwing some red candles into the mix, trying to stay above that $18 per share level. GameStop still up 4.5%, sitting at $147.64. The NASDAQ, I'd sure get, red candles, as I imagined. NASDAQ trying to come back down a little bit, still got a 1.75% gain on the day. Prague, down about 1% right now, 98.25 cents. Ethereum is in the green. Shiba Inu coin is in the purple now. That is not good. We got some serious serious declines coming over here in the crypto market, guys. I mean, you got Shiba top right, but you can see Bitcoin and Ethereum selling off just the same as Shiba Inu coin is right now. So, very interesting declines here, but they're still doing okay with Bitcoin above 41,000 and Ethereum above 3,100. Sundial sitting up 2%, really flat over the last few minutes. Mullen Auto down 6% right now, $1.73. CEI down 7% right now, 97.5 cents. SPY up 1.21%, and BBIG up 3.5% at $2.60. And Highcraft Mining, $1.77, down 2.5% on the day. We need some green days. We need some green days. We need some green days. Come on, Gaines. Boy gets a guitar and starts writing songs about whiskey and women and getting too stoned. He got all three at the first show he played. Hometown says, I don't think she's done it that way. Vengeance, if that's a song, man, I lost it. I don't know if this is just your life's goal or what the deal is. Thanks, Roulette. Thought they couldn't come back. Moji Roulette's talking about something there. I don't know what it is. I gotta go run errands. I'll still be listening. Everyone, have an awesome day. Danelle, thank you for being in here. Get your errands done. Have a good day today. And stay warm, because I don't think it's warm out yet over there. It's still cold out here. Tomorrow should be getting nicer, though. CNN, by Danelle. Yes, yes, yes. Boy moves to his city, lives fast, goes hard, starts chasing the devil through the honky-tonk bars, ignoring the voices in his head that say, I don't think Jesus done it this way. Yeah, vengeance. That's exactly what I was thinking this morning, man. This is a song or something. ApeCoin up 9.68%. Let's go check out ApeCoin. ApeCoin hitting some gains today. Where's it at? Still around that $10 to $12 range. ApeCoin, $13 per coin right now. ApeCoin was in a pretty nice downtrend for a while. Seems to be breaking out and the volatility picking back up. Volatility is still going wild here. Going back down between basically $11 and $13 per coin. Really trying to find its way in this big dark world. Sitting at $13 per coin right now. Yes, it is up over 9% on the day. But every time it's gotten up into this area right in here, it has pulled back. So if you guys are trading ApeCoin, which you can do on Webull, look into that. You might want to run into some resistance here, or might want to use this as a resistance level. If you're not trading, hopefully you break through it and it continues to the upside there. But I currently do not own any ApeCoin. Does anybody in here own ApeCoin? I think Pika might have had some, but does anybody else in here own ApeCoin? Man, we got Shiba coming down. GameStop is trading sideways right now. Farming trying to bounce back at 1270. And AMC sitting at 1810. Okay, guys, split. See you later. Boom! Shredder. Enjoy your afternoon. Sand is up 13. Yes, yes, yes. Moji. Sand got a... So, I guess the company that owns Sand did an equity raise and raised $400 million at a $4 billion valuation. So they gave away 10% of their company for $400 million. And I believe that's why Sand is up today. I did read an article about that. Don't think Jesus. Morgan Wallen. Gotcha. Vengeance. So it is a song. See, I didn't know that. Today's still chilly, but by Saturday it's supposed to be 80 degrees. Crazy Mother Nature. Yes, Cassie, it is crazy, isn't it? I don't think we're going to get to the 80s over here until maybe Sunday is what it's calling for. So you guys got it the day before we do. You're going to have to let me know if it's actually getting up into the 80s. If anybody's over there further west than Cassie is, you're going to have to let us know if it's actually getting to the 80s, because I'm having a hard time believing we're going to go from like a 20-degree wind chill today to 80 degrees on the weekend. Recreation clay billiards or clay bowling? Oh, man. Well, let's just go bowling. I suck at both, but let's say bowling. 96 and sunny in Phoenix. Does anybody have Moji beat? Does anybody have Moji beat? Because I'm going to find that hard to believe if you do. Pressure wash in the house. Shredder. Very nice, man. Stay dry. I got Ape, Tectonic, Doge, Shiba, and Gala. Very nice. Harris, that's a good mix there, man. I like that mix. Anybody else have Tectonic? Because I know a lot of people talk about it, but I've never even looked into it. I don't know, ApeCoin, but since then, it's been trading sideways. Yeah, it has been trading sideways. At least you didn't get it in, like, at $20 or $18, and you're trying to wait for it to go back up. At least you got it kind of trading sideways right now. Sold on my Ape 15-ish. Very nice moto. Bought it 8-ish. Nice moto lifer. Very good, man. You plan on getting back in, or do you think you're done with it, man? What do you think? I do have Ape, very bullish on it too. Iridy Duarte, very good, man. I do not own any Ape. I am bullish on ApeCoin though, right? I like the fact that it's associated with Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club. But, I don't know, ICOs are always a little dangerous with the volatility they got. I think Solana is definitely a good buy. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Solana, I don't know where it's at, but it's got a major level of support at $100 per share. And below that, $80 a share. So it's, yeah, you can see that this is the $100 line right here. Really been treading this line, bouncing off of a little bit, tried to break down below, but bouncing back up. If it does sustain a move below $100, I would say next major level of support is in this $80 range. So very interesting, but dude, wouldn't you love to get Solana at like $20 a coin? Oh my goodness. Apparently, one of my friends got it at $2 a coin and is still holding it. So, nicely done on that. Nicely done. $100 seems to be the new level of support on Solana, though, in case you guys are case you guys are into Solana there, $100 is support, and it seems to be bouncing off of it right now. So hopefully it sustains that move back to the upside. A lot of green in the market today. Bull trap. I hope not. Clowny. I truly hope not. You know, looking at the market, there is a lot of green. Yes. But we're right here. We're right here, bouncing off this level of support. So I'm hoping, dude, we've been down every day for the last 2 or 3 weeks now. I'm hoping this is not just a green day followed by another red day. I'm hoping we get some sort of a sustainable move back to the upside here. And but I do know this bounce is not necessarily anything other than testing the support line before breaking down through it. So, going to be interesting to see what happens. We're right in between major support and major resistance. I'm hoping this bounce off this intermediary support level, turns into a retest of resistance at 15,000 points on the NASDAQ and not just a bounce before we crack down through that support level. So, that's me being optimistic, man. Hopefully we get it, right? Farmy still in the green on the day, up 1%. AMC up 3%. You got Shiba Inu coin down, basically break even right now. I'm not even going to say it's down. You got GameStop sitting at 148.25, up almost 5% on the day. Very nice there. Prague still down 1%. Ethereum and Bitcoin are both up 1%. Sundial down 2%. Mullen Auto down 5%. CEI down 7%. SPY up 1.22%. BBIG up 3.5%. And Highcroft Mining down about 1% right now. It's $1.80 per share. Globe. I know I missed something. And obviously adding Shiba. Moto Lifer. Very good. I'm done with it. I'm now going on to Cardano and Solana. Very good, Moto Lifer. Titano and Sphere Finance are supposed to be good sources of passive income. Tried Sphere and thinking about Titano. ERD, I've never heard of either one of those, man. What kind of interest rates do they have on them? Or what kind of APY do they have on them that you're supposed to be making this passive income with? How's ATER? Let's look. We haven't looked at that in a while. It was down earlier today after being up in the morning. It was pulling back a little bit when we last checked. So, yeah, still pulling back on the day. ATER was at $7.26 this morning. Currently sitting at $6.20 right now. So, down 5% on the day after being up probably 5% on the day. Tough to watch almost, what is this? Off $7, dollar. Dude, tough to watch almost a 20% decline from the intraday high here. Back down. I mean, it's almost going to be back down at $1.40 here pretty soon, but rough to watch a 15-20% decline intraday in a stock after such a nice gain. But it does not mean that these gains are over. Clearly, we had a couple pullbacks here, and it continued to move higher. So this might just be some profit taking. If you guys are into it and you plan on holding, watch these. Watch as much support levels as you can. But hopefully the gains continue for you if you are in it and do not plan on selling there. AMC back above $18 per share. That's what I like to see. We need some green. I don't want to see it down. Clay, thoughts on Baldi's NFT? That one dude. I don't actually think I've ever seen a Bali NFT, man. I've seen a lot of the other projects out there, like the sneakerhead. That one seems like it's getting a ton of attention. That seems like a pretty big one. There's that one dude. Good morning. That one dude. What's going on? Not bad average, about 550. Pringleton, good deal, man. Hey, bro. This bro has done his fair share of timeouts. First in the YouTube slammer, then in our hearts. Yes, that is right. Vengeance is king of the chat today. Boom. Wait for it. We gotta wait for it. Vengeance, king of the chat today. I love it. Let's see what king of the chat today has to say about that. Matt Perry has one. Happy Caddy. Matt Perry has a Ballies NFT. Is that what you're talking about? What's for lunch, Clay, bro? My mom came back from Mexico this weekend and brought us some tacos, imported tacos. Oh my, that sounds delicious, Mr. Simon. I don't know. I got some leftovers from Easter, man, so I might just eat some ham and potatoes. I might just eat some ham and potatoes for lunch today. That'd save me from making anything. Other than that, I mean, I have some chicken that I could make, but I might as well just finish those leftovers. I was so tempted to hide that Pika. Ooh, he was tempted to hide the king of the chat being Vengeance. Vengeance probably isn't even in here. Vengeance. Oh, man. Doesn't even know the dude's king of the chat today. Mochi, definitely go to, Hanana Bay is beautiful. Don't know how much you know from Hawaii. I was stationed there for a short period with military. What is this now? Hanana Bay? Hanana Bay is the place to go? Sounds sweet, man. Congrats, Vengeance. Yes, congrats to Vengeance, and Vengeance is not even in here. He's got the vegetables in solidarity. Very nice. It is Taco Tuesday. No, that is true. I was actually thinking about making a quesadilla for lunch, which would go really nicely with Taco Tuesday theme, but I probably won't. I'll probably just eat leftovers. Paul, I'm in California today. Today's in California. The rest of the days, no. How can I fight someone in this chat asking for a friend? Moto Lifer, I think you gotta wait till you get in the metaverse, man. I think you gotta wait till you get in the metaverse before you're able to do that. Farmy got a green candle coming in here. Farmy sitting at, a whole whopping 1271. Wow, it's up 1/100th of a cent. What a beautiful green candle. Man, it's kind of annoying when the charts are that low and the gain is literally 1/100th of a cent. Nobody cares about a green chart like that. Savin with Shiba Inu. Murad Abuzada. Mensch. Abuzada, man. We've got Shiba Inu coins sitting flat today, up 0.10%. Not a ton going on. The latest catalyst we had was Robinhood listing Shiba Inu coin. And with the metaverse sales at the current rate that they're going, I do believe there's a chance that these lands will sell out. But I'm going to be honest, guys. I don't know if I will be minting any lands. I think that people are probably going to get tired of holding the Shiba Inu coin lands before the metaverse is developed. And because people have such a short attention span, I would imagine the floor price on the lands is going to go much lower than the mint price. So I think I'm going to hold out and see what I can get afterwards. But the metaverse is also causing a lot of hype around Shiba Inu coin right now, but it's not necessarily transferring into the price of Shiba Inu coin. Sphere is only about a month old, and the annual is 99,900% as of right this second. Titano has been around for months, and about the same idea as Sphere. They say Sphere copied Titano. I put $200 on Sphere, and as of today, it's getting me $2.97 a day. I figured I'd give it a shot. Why not? It's Irity, man. You gotta let me know. No, it's not. I forget how to say your name. Somebody tried to help me with your name, and now I forget how to say it. Roddy? Roddy, man? Is that how you say it? Now I forget, dude. I'm very sorry if I forgot how to pronounce your name. It might be Roddy. Let me know how that goes, dude, because that does seem too good to be true, and I would like to know if they do keep that up. Outdoor Smile, it's hilarious that he missed it. Vengeance, man, where are you at? Dude, wouldn't it be hilarious if Vengeance knows that he got it, but he's unable to type in the chat right now because he's busy at work or something, and he wants so bad to acknowledge the fact that Pika crowned him king of the chat today, and he can't do it, and it's just eating him from the inside out right now, and he's dying, and he wants to tell us, but he just can't do it? Yeah, I think so too. A short what? I don't even know. Wait, Portuguese? No, Roddy. No, I am not. I got some more. Why would you say that? Because I've said something before? Make a breakfast quesadilla with ham and potatoes, cheese, scrambled eggs, and hot sauce. Dang it, Kathy. That actually sounds delicious. And I have eggs. I have cheese. I have the ham. And I do have hot sauce. And it sounds... Now I'm going to have to decide if I'm just going to eat a quick leftover or if I'm actually going to make a breakfast quesadilla or a breakfast burrito. Oh, come on. Now it sounds really good. Now I might have to do it. Kathy, you're messing with me. Iradi. Iradi. I was saying it right then, right? Iradi or Iradi? Oh, this dude's name. Iradi. It's got to be Iradi, right? Iradi. Irati. It's got to be Irati. I think it's Irati. Burrito all day. Outdoor Smile says you got to go burrito, man. You got to go burrito. All right, Lon, that's some plum good marketing. Imagine ABC soup with only AMCs. That would be pretty good. Alphabet soup, but only A, M, and C in the alphabet soup. Come on, AMC. You could do some marketing like that. Let's go. AMC, guys, currently sitting at $18.07. Really done absolutely nothing since I got on live this morning. Congratulations to me. I stopped AMC's forward progress. As soon as I get off, I guarantee it goes up. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $25.25 right now. Same deal. Doing nothing since we got on live this morning. Trading sideways. GameStop sitting at $148.14. Really doing nothing since we got on live this morning. It's been sitting sideways, up 4% of the day. Farmy doing nothing since we got on live this morning. Sitting right here, flat sideways at $12.72. So very interesting there. Prague still doing nothing, trading sideways all morning. We've got Ethereum and Bitcoin trading sideways. Sundial trading dead sideways. This one's really flat. Mullen Auto trading sideways as well, down 4.29% on the day. CEI down 6.5% on the day. SPY is up 1.30% on the day. BBIG up 3.78%. Oh, big red candle there. And then Highcroft Mining still down 2% on the day. Story of the day is the NASDAQ was soaring up 2% earlier, and it has been coming down since we went live, and currently sitting at 1.84% higher. Hopefully, it bounces back, and throughout the afternoon, we end up closing like 3% higher today. I would love a nice late afternoon rally in the overall market, which translates over into a rally in all of the stocks that we've been watching. I want to see some gains, and I hope we do see some bigger gains we've already seen today. Ape is going ape. Harris, yes, Ape is up almost 10% today, right? Really hope we can hold 18. Crypto Rocketeer, I also hope the same thing, man. All of the vegetables reminded me I forgot to plant any for my garden this year, except for heirloom, a red variety. Eggplant's got to be it. That's a fruit though, right? Does that have seeds in it? Oh man, now I don't even know. Have I been saying vegetable, but it's actually a fruit? Does anybody know that? I gotta look that up really quick. Well, get you guys' guess in there. Get you guys' guess, because I know what it is. Get your guys' guess. I'll see. We answer this really quick, and then we're leaving. Oh, come on. Where'd it go? No. All right, there you go. You can guess that poll before we leave. I like it. Let's see what you guys say. Did I post the poll? Where's the poll at? Oh, there it is. Green chili and eggs and lists of cheese makes a very nice breakfast burrito. That does sound like it would be delicious, and I am hungry, so I like the sound of it. Bino, can I be the king and the queen of this chat? Because she's nice. Well, technically it was vengeance. Modal Lifer, she's queen of my DMs every day. Peak of power, very nice. Ahmad says, fruit, we got 14 votes coming in. Where's Lauren been? Pugnacious, I have no idea. I'm starting to get concerned. A little depressed, actually. Let's see here. Farmy bouncing up to 12.79 before coming back down. Hopefully we get a little action going in there because it knows we're leaving. But guys, vote and get your names in the chat as we give some shout outs here, and then we will be ending because it is 1 o'clock. So get your names in the chat, get those shout outs going. A little recap, we got Highcroft Mining sitting at $1.80, BBIG $2.60, the SPY sitting at $443.42, CEI 98.42 cents, Mullen Auto sitting at $1.76, Sundial 46.60 or 54, not 40, 54.63, Bitcoin 41.366, Shiba 25.23, Ethereum 31.03, AMC 18.07, Farmy 12.75, Prog sitting at 98.5, GameStop sitting at 147.49, and the Nasdaq is sitting at 13,575 points. The results of this poll are that none of you guys voted, but 58% think it's a vegetable. Well, sorry to burst your bubble, but it is a fruit. Eggplant is a fruit. Eggplants, also known as aubergines, belong to the nightshade family of plants and are used in many different dishes around the world. Although often considered a vegetable, they're technically a fruit as they grow from a flowering plant and contain seeds. There you go. You've got the answer on whether or not a plant or an eggplant is a vegetable or a fruit, and it is a fruit. Just like the banana that Moto Lifer shared with us. Guys, Moto Lifer says, watch this and enjoy the rest of your day. Moto Lifer, looking at you, thinking about Trapper. This is called the lick and stick technique. Oh, Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the banana. Absolutely appreciate all of the super stickers and super chats today. Let's get these shout outs going on, and then we will be back this afternoon. Crypto Racketeer, boom, baby, dabbing on him like always. If AMC Trapper wasn't here, he'd be saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. See you later, SD, Frank, Mark, Danelle, Cassie, Frodo. Enjoy your afternoon. Pika Power, Moji, Moto Lifer, thank you again. Crypto Rocketeer, woo woo, I said fruit, nice, Crypto Rocketeer. John J, see you later. Harris, Keith, Moji, Cassie, Moto Lifer, Marky Mark, everybody that's been in here, having a wonderful day, keeping the chat moving so far this morning. Appreciate every single one of you guys, and you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.